Hi friends, welcome back to a new lesson all about germs. Achoo! 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 Oh my goodness. Oh, I have a big booger. Oh. Oh, excuse me. Oh, that's so much better. Well, welcome back to a new lesson all about boogers and blowing your nose and getting the germs off. Now, I just sneezed everywhere. And it got all over. Do you see all of those germs? When I sneezed, all of those germs went everywhere. And if I were sick, my germs would be touching other people and getting all over other people, and they would be getting sick too. Well, when we sneeze, we should not do what I just did. That would be bad. Next time I sneeze, I should sneeze in my elbow so that the germs do not spread everywhere and they just go on my elbow, on my shirt where it won't stick. Now, when I was done sneezing, I realized I had a booger. Boogers are full of germs, and when you go and wipe your booger with your finger, you're getting even more germs into your nose. It is very important that you use tissues to wipe your boogers and clear your nose if you feel like it's stuffy. Now, you have a bag of tissues in your clear envelope. It should look just like this. Go ahead and pull it out, and we are going to practice blowing our nose together so that we don't spread our germs. Now, there should be two in there, but we're just going to use one right now, and I give you an extra one so you can keep practicing. Now, when you first pull it out, it should be folded like this. You're going to unfold it very carefully all of the way so that it is a square. Now, you're going to use both hands and put them on the back side of the tissue. And you're going to put your hands on the outside of your nose. This way, it will hold all of the germs that you get out of your nose. Then you blow with your nose like this. And rub around, make sure you got everything. And when I'm done, I roll it up so that I don't touch what was inside, and I throw it away. Then I take a mirror and I look and check and make sure that nothing is left. Looks good. Next, I need to wash my hands and get all of the germs off. I'm going to go wash my hands. You go wash your hands and come back. I just washed my hands and they are all free of germs now because I use soap and water. Now, this week and every day after this lesson, I want you to practice and practice sneezing in your elbow like this and using tissues to wipe your nose. Now, when we come back in our classroom, we're going to be practicing this a lot. So it's good for you to practice at home too. Thanks for watching this lesson. Tomorrow we'll be talking even more about germs. Bye.